ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. The whole city is complaining about the roads. So people having accidents, people are road rage is happening, people are skidding and falling. And our deputy CM is saying London has this thing because ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ರೋಡ್. ಐ ಗಾನ್ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್, ಐ ಸೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಇವನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆರ್ಮೇನಿಯಾ, ಅಜರ್ಬೈಜಾನ್, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, leave it. I mean, when we have all the technology, we have the best pubs, restaurants, one of the best airports that are being built by foreigners for sure. Why can't we hire some foreign companies, give them at least some certain areas? See the difference. We give to the same contractor, same BBMP contractors. ಅವರೇ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್. their family would have been contractor, the son would have got it. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು? they'll also outsource it. And within 2 months, again the road is spoiled. The patchwork is no use. So if you want to be a world-class city, you have to think otherwise because the same family run business doing this road and